So the next dashboard that I will be talking about is cost analytics, where to get most of your spending data, the cost analytic dashboard allows you to drill deeper into the cost based on different parameters and optimize the size of your cloud deployments. The filter criteria remains the same as like the all projects or the project specific and also the date range. So let's just make it all projects and click on apply. So the first widget that you see is the product cost trend. So view the cost trend for each product as well as the forecast for infrastructure services, and you'll be able to plan the strategies for the for a cost optimization. Only products that have cost associated for the selected period are included in this report. So this gaining visibility into the patterns, understanding them, and making decisions based on that information will be key to optimizing the cost. So you'll be able to filter it down with the each services and see what has been the cost. So let's say if I show the RDS, it will show me the cost of RDS. The next widget that you see is cost by platform. Each cloud provider charges a premium for instances running on Windows in order to cover the licensing cost for the Windows. This report provides cost details based on the platform and facilitates the cost optimization. As you see it on the screen, the Windows has been charged 1579 with a 22.7% overall consumption between both the projects, and for the Linux it's 5369, that is 77.3% of consumption on the cost. So the next widget is the instant cost. That's a type, you could say. Each cloud provider have various things. So IaaS vendors offer their instances or VMs with different specifications based on size, categories, flavors, and families. So analyzing this each flavor and the charges is the key point for it. So here you'll be able to see the flavor that is used and the cost of it, and what is the count of that particular flavored virtual machine. So there it shows 8 and it's 2933 is the charge for T2 Nano. So here is a T2 small, which is 2436 and the count is 1, and so on, as you see for micro and as you see for other microservices. So the next widget is resource cost or count by region. Now, most of the cloud providers, offers infrastructure services are region dependent, or while some are region independent. So different cloud regions have different pricing for each cloud providers. So resource usage can be identified and scaled effectively by this visualization that indicates the number of resources associated with each region. Not all the regions are priced same. Varying costs of different regions makes it necessary to view cost based on different regions. Now this report allows cost to be measured by the region and providing required inputs for optimal port deployment based on the location. As you see, US East version and the count, and the Ireland, Amazon Web Services and the count, South America, São Paulo and its count, the cost and the count. The next is the VM cost count by source of creation, where it tells what was the source of creation and what is the count of it. So you have created from the vendor console and the cost is 86 and the count is 11. Cost by IaaS usage, so what kind of IaaS usage you've been using, like EU box usage, T2 small, what is the cost of it, and the T2 nano. So whatever the IaaS usage type you have, this particular widget will show you. So you will be able to take the necessary action either by terminating or resizing the instance or by changing or modifying snapshot details or elastic IP details based on the data shared by this graphical report. And all these widgets that you see can be changed, the graphical representation, and also be exported in a CSV format.